Good morning. Sure you had a wonderful night. In this video, I'll be sharing my expectations on USDCAD. Today being the 2nd of February 2022. My bias on USDCAD remains bearish, and here is my reason for wanting to sell USDCAD. I would like to start with the weekly time frame. So this week it's been bearish, price has been falling, and we have an established resistance level here. And if you're considering buying, if I would buy USDCAD, the market would have to close above this resistance level. For me to consider buying, the market would have to close above this resistance level. The current trend is bearish. The bears are dominating. We have more sellers in the market than buyers. And when you have more sellers in the market, you want to sell. So let's go down to daily and see what happened in the market yesterday. And you can see on the daily also, it's still bearish. Yesterday candlestick closed bearish. So if I'm to buy or sell USDCAD today, I'll wait for the market to break yesterday's support, and that you can find on 4-hour time frame. But before we move down to 4-hour time frame, we can identify a previous. This was a previous resistance level turn support. That's a previous resistance level turn support. Now let's go down to 4-hour. Identify yesterday's support level, and you can see this was support for yesterday market. This was support for yesterday market. So for me to sell USDCAD today, I would have to wait for the market to close below this zone. This is a demand down zone. I need to be sure we have more sellers in the market. I need to be sure that supply exceeds demand before I sell. And as you can see, it was a previous resistance level at this point, which became a support after this candlestick closed above it. So it became a support. So if the market closes below this level, there is a high probability that USDCAD would drop to this level. So that would be my profit target. There's a high probability that it will get to this level. And if I'm entering a sell from that level, I would set my stop loss a few pips above the high of this candle, or I'll set it using the high price of this candlestick, a few pips above this or a few pips above the high of this candle. And I think that's a good risk reward. There should be a 1:2.5, which is a good one. So that's my take on USDCAD. Let's see how it plays out.